Abiro kawadhi nyime en riwruok mar jopuonj KNUT dwani mondo duol mochung'ne ndiko jopuonj e tich TSC mondo ochiw ler ewi okumba mar thieth mar SHA kaka yor golo luoro ma jopuonj nigodo ewi okumba no. Koloso ewi wachno, jagoro maduong' mar KNUT Collins Ochiw okone TSC mondo ochwal ler ne sikunde duto mondo mi jopuonj oyang ber ma okumba mar SHA dhi kelo negi kopogore gi okumba ma gisebedo ka gitiyo godo e kinde mokalo. Magi timore e kinde matelo mar SHA kokalo kuom jataa tije Mercy Mwangangi to ramono okumba no nikod ber mathoth ne jopuonj kendo kik gibed gi luoro moramora.
She is the group sustainability.
It is in the lips of everybody that teachers have gone to SHA. What we've not understood from where we sit is that there's a comprehensive medical cover that we have been moved to, now being managed by the Social Health Association. It is not that we've lost the comprehensive medical cover. Our medical cover has been pushed to the public officers' medical scheme fund. It is a comprehensive fund. We looked at matters minutes against what is said to be improved in the POMSF. And we shall have our leaders in the union and Teachers Service Commission please circulate what we took us through to all schools in this republic so that heads can get to understand what is in POMSF for the understanding.
In SHA, we have a comprehensive digital health system. Our pre-authorization times, na nataka mumark hii, so that when it doesn't happen, you call me, you call my team. SHA's pre-authorization time is 4.5 minutes. Number 2, our providers. We have a network of close to 10,541 providers that are currently transacting with SHA. Part of that network will be available to you fivefold